If ever you go to Taiwan, never miss to visit Nantao, and here's why. 4 hours ang travel papuntang Nantao kaya 5 AM pa lang umalis na kami ng Taipei. By the way, if you need travel assistance, here's the TikTok and Facebook page of Kuya John Mark. Siya yung nag-assist sa amin, sobrang bait niyan. Nag-stop over muna kami saglit dahil nga matagal ang biyahe. And napansin ko lang, libre at wala akong nakitang toll gate sa dinaanan naming expressway. Our first stop is here in Hehuanshan. Nag-i-snow ang lugar na to kapag winter season dito sa Taiwan. Kaya as a first timer na makahawak ng snow, sobrang enjoy to para sa akin. Our next stop is in Qingjing Farm. Medyo may kamahalan lang ang ticket, around 270 New Taiwan dollars. It is a sheep farm where you would have direct interaction with the sheep. If you want to feed them, that's additional $30. May pagka-New Zealand vibe din siya, kaya Instagrammable. I tried their goat milk, kaya lang hindi ko siya masyadong nagustuhan dahil may pagkamaanggo. Overall, okay na rin siya for the experience. Meron din dito mga stores na pwede kayo mag-lunch after. Ang next namin pinuntahan ay ang The Old England. Libre lang naman to, kaya okay lang na mag-picture. It was a very long day, pero enjoy ang experience. Gabi na makabalik kami ng Taipei, kaya medyo pagod na rin. Ayun lang, bye-bye!